In this tutorial, we will learn how to match a color from one image to another in Adobe Photoshop. This is useful for maintaining color consistency across different elements in your designs or photos. Select the layer you want to change the color of. If it's the background layer, you may need to unlock it by double-clicking on the layer and clicking OK. With the target layer selected, navigate to Image, Adjustments, Match Color. In the Match Color dialog box, go to the Source drop-down menu and select the file name of the source image. If the source image has multiple layers, you can specify which layer to use in the Layer drop-down menu. You will see a preview of the changes in the target image. Adjust the following sliders to fine-tune the color match. Luminance. Adjust the brightness of the target image. Color intensity controls the saturation of the color match. Fade blends the matched color with the original color of the target image. Neutralize color, optional. If your target image has a color cast, you can check the Neutralize box to remove the color cast before matching the color. Once you are satisfied with the color match, click OK to apply the changes. You have successfully matched the color of your target image to your source image in Photoshop. This technique ensures color consistency and can enhance the visual harmony of your designs.